Hey guys, what's up? Today in the BrickLab, we are traveling into the land of monsters with one of the greatest NINJAGO side characters, but now in budget size.
I choose to carry on.
NINJAGO has had so many mechs over the years, so I have to admit that I skipped right past the Fire Knight Mech when it was revealed last year. But then LEGO dropped the Monstrosity episodes, and I have to say I really enjoyed the Fire Knight Mech's presence. As soon as I saw the episode, I sat down to sketch out a mini build, but it didn't quite turn out the way I planned. So I shelved the project for a while until I got this comment on another video. And in a second it all came together. I fixed up the arms on the hammer drone, recolored it red, gave it a staff, and now boom, we have the Fire Knight Mech. The fire piece on the knight's chest comes from Chima, and you can also swap it out on the end of the staff to recreate the Fire Knight Mech's ultra powered up mode. But of course I couldn't stop there. We need to recreate the rest of the set and add Kai to join him on his quest. I found Kai's sword and armor on bricks and pieces, and I just added it to his storm suit as a cheaper way to create his monstrosity minifigure. At least the one that comes from the set. It's not really accurate to the one that we got in the episode, but maybe we'll make that in a separate video. To build the base, I just used 4 black round slopes and used leftover dark blue pieces from Jay's Elemental Dragon to recreate the water. I added a basic gray block and a brown platform to represent the dock, and also added in Bilbo's boat from one of the Hobbit sets. I wanted to fix up the boat a little bit, but it's from 2013 and it's made of old reddish brown pieces, and if I so much as look at this thing the wrong way, it's just going to crack apart. In fact, why don't we take a little break from looking at the boat right now, just to give it a little time to recover. For the monster, the obelisk from Guardians of the Galaxy 2 would be perfect, but I don't have it and I really don't feel like bricklinking it, so I'm just sticking with this basic head design and some tentacles which I just ripped off my freshly upgraded Rontu. Alright, I think we're safe now, so we can add a fisherman to the boat. To add the Fire Knight Mech to the scene, I'm just using a transparent headlight brick attached to the back of the leg. I won't do a build tutorial for the Fire Knight Mech because it is just a recolored hammer drone with extra parts for the shoulders. The head is also pretty basic, but it looks pretty good, and it's also pretty simple, so you shouldn't really need a tutorial for that. But regardless, I'll put a part list in the description, along with a separate part list for the base. The most complicated part is the monster's head, and yeah, that's not really complicated at all. So yeah, that's it. That's how I shrunk down the Fire Knight Mech, and now, let's let Kai and the mech take care of business while we kick back and enjoy the show. Alright, that is it for now. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that other good stuff, and we will see you next time.